Next case under one-sided error is case B, when errors are located after closing of account. So in this case, students, when one-sided errors are located and rectified after preparation of trial balance or after closing of accounts, okay, so rectifications are carried out by passing a journal entry. So we pass a journal entry to rectify the account. So in case one-sided error, only one account is debited or credited for the rectification. If purchase account is overcast, or we can say that undercast with rupees 100, so we have to rectify it because this error is located after closing of accounts. So we have to debit the purchase account with 100. So we have to increase the amount. Okay, so we debit the purchase account. So we pass the journal entry, purchase account debit, and the account which is credited against purchases account is suspense account. Okay, so a new account is opened to rectify the entries which is wrongly debited or credited. So the entry which is wrongly debited, that the account which is wrongly credited, we debit it and we credit against it account to suspense account. If an account is wrongly credited, like sale account overcast by 500. So sale is credited. Now we deduct the 500 from sale account. How we can deduct? We debit it. We write sales account debit and the account which is credited against it is suspense. So for account which are rectified by debiting and crediting, for the rectification, suspense account is debited or credited to complete the double entry. So the another account is opened against the corrected account is suspense account. Okay, so in case of one-sided error, when accounts are closed and at that time errors are located, at that time we are passing journal entry to rectify the mistake or the error. So question number 1, we already done the question number 1 in the first part, but in question number 1 we ask about that let rectify the error. In the first case, the error are disclosed before preparing trial balance. We done it. We already completed it. And the next part we are doing of question number 1 is errors were disclosed after preparing trial balance, means after closing of accounts. So we solve similar question number 1 with the second case. In this, journal entry will be passed. So we have to prepare the perform of journal first. So on the head we write journal entries of rectification. After that we prepare the perform of journal. So date, particulars, ledger folio, debit amount and credit amount. Okay students, so this question number 1 is same. We do this question with the second part with the case B. First is purchase book was undercast by 100. So purchase book was undercast by 100, so we have to increase the balance of purchase book. So we debit it again. So we debit the purchase account. We write purchase account debit and the account which is credited against is suspense account. Amount is 100 on debit side, 100 on credit side. Next is second. Sale book was overcast by ₹1,000. So sale account is always credited. Now it is overcast. We have to deduct. We have to subscribe 1,000. So we debit it. So we write sales account debit to suspense account 1,000. Next is third. An amount of ₹175 had been posted to the debit side of commission account instead of 125. So commission account is debited with more rupees 50. So we credit it. Okay. So we write here suspense account debit because commission account shows more. Commission is expense, it's debited, but we have to decrease the balance, so we credit it. Suspense account debit to commission account, amount is 50 because instead of posting 125, amount is posted 175. So difference 150 is credited to commission account. Next is goods worth ₹2,000 purchased from Ramlal has been posted to his account ₹3,000. So Ramlal account is credited but with 3,000. So we debit Ramlal account to deduct the amount. So Ramlal debit. It is not compulsory to attach the word account with the personal account. Okay. To suspense account with 1,000. Next fifth is ₹500 received from Manoj Chawla were posted to debit side of his account. So Manoj Chawla was credited in place of, so Manoj Chawla account is credited in place of, Manoj Chawla account was debited in place of credited. So we debited Manoj Chawla account. Manoj Chawla debit to suspense account. Now Manoj Chawla account is debited with the double amount because previously his account was credited with 1,000. So its account is credited. Suspense account debit to Manoj Chawla because purchases are done from Manoj Chawla. So when purchases are done, purchases account debit to Manoj Chawla account, but in place of crediting Manoj Chawla, wrong entry is passed that Manoj Chawla account is debited. So we credit it now to rectify the entry. Manoj Chawla. Okay. Now we credit the Manoj Chawla with double amount because 500 for cancelling the debit transaction and 500 to again posted the amount. So it is credited with ₹1,000. Clear, students? Next is sixth transaction. So sixth transaction is a sale of ₹430 to Manish was credited to his account as 340. Now sales are done to Manish. Manish account is debited, but in place of debited, his account is credited. Now we debit the Manish account. So Manish debit to suspense account. So first we debit the Manish. With the total of this, that is 770 because 340 to cancel the transaction, 430 to debit Manish account. So the account was debited with 770. 70. After that, the last transaction, is 7. Sales return book balance of rupees 500 was not included in the books. So sales return account is shows less by 150. So if we debit the sales return account, sales return account debit to suspense account with 150. So students, this is how we can rectify the entry of one-sided error in case when errors are located after closing of accounts. So when errors are located after recording of account, journal entries are prepared. Okay, journal entries are passing out. Journal entries are used to rectify the errors. When journal entries are used to rectify the errors, we are using a suspense account to rectify the entries. If account is wrongly credited, we debit that account and we credit the suspense account against it. If account is wrongly debited, we credit the account and debit the account, suspense account against it. In case of previous, when errors are located before closing of account, no journal entry will be passed. These errors are only rectified by writing a line on the debit side or the credit side of their ledger account. Clear, students?